Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In this evening's health report, Shamila Pullen looks at artificial intelligence and medicine.
Artificial intelligence, AI, is reshaping healthcare, whether in clinical practice, education, or research.
That it can now come up with algorithms that would literally take a human, being a human researcher, decades and decades to come up with. It can do it like lickety-split. AI can look at a X-ray and read it in seconds while we'll be there like going through all the different details and stuff like that. And spit out results for you. So it was fed information and it literally took that information, processed all the information and can spit back and give you stuff. It can see even much, much clearer than the human eye can see.
Medical doctor Ivana Thomas says in order for healthcare professionals to use these technologies safely and effectively, they must understand its function and their limitations.
There's no need to be afraid of it because the physician ultimately has to be the one to be making the decisions. You have to be the one to look at the information that AI is giving you, verify it, and make sure that the information it's spitting out for your particular client, that this is right, and whether or not you're going to follow that instruction or that information that it's giving you. So the notion, like I spoke with the medical students yesterday, the notion that, oh my goodness, AI is coming to take my job, well, I'm not going to be needed, that's not true. You are going to be the last person at that bedside, sitting across from that patient in your office, that's going to be making the ultimate decision.
Dr. Thomas is of the view that Jamaica is still behind other countries in AI technology and medicine. Therefore, she says it is crucial for the nation to keep pace with global progress.
I would like to think that we're still ahead of the rest of the Caribbean because we do have a lot of other Caribbean nationals that do come to Jamaica for health care. So there's still a lot to be desired, a whole lot. Of course, the U.S. is a first world country, so we have access. I was telling them yesterday that since 2024, AI was like at about $20-something billion globally. Now by 2030, it's expected to be at $187 billion in terms of all the investment and all the different equipment and stuff. And the FDA has already approved over 1,000 pieces of equipment that, generated by AI.
With your health report, I'm Shamila Pullen, wishing you good health.